Hey everybody, so today I have the Bedstory mattress. This one is 12 inches thick. Close up of the pattern. Alright everybody, so yes, I have the 12-inch Bedstory mattress. This one was sent over to me to review, and I've done some other products for Bedstory in the past. Great company. What I really love about them is that they are American made right here in the USA, down there in South Carolina. Now this one is a hybrid mattress, so you got 8 inches of coil, and then you have 3.9 inches of foam right on top, and you get a medium support with this one. Now when you open it up, you will need to let it air out for 48 to 72 hours. I already did that. It was been out in my living room for like 48 hours, and I probably just moved it in here. Now, as you can see, it will work on an adjustable bed. Now, I can't really speak to the longevity of it just because I didn't really notice anything about it saying anything about adjustable. So I don't know how the springs will work with that. Normally, I use a full foam mattress. But I did have a twin one that was a hybrid as well, and it worked. So I'm assuming it will be fine. Now, I'm a side sleeper, and it is comfortable for me. The lady of the house is a back sleeper, and she really likes this mattress. So I'm going to say that overall, it is a really nice mattress. If you're looking for something that's a little bit more on the firmer side, medium firm to firmer, this is definitely pretty good. If you're wanting just a little bit softer, I'd go with just a little bit bigger of the mattress. I know they got a 14-inch as well. I would assume that it would be a little bit softer. They normally are as they get bigger. All right, so another thing about this mattress, when you move around, it's not going to disturb your partner quite as much. It's not going to be quite as the like full foam one, like the one I've reviewed in the past, where you could drop the bowling ball and everything. But it is pretty close to no movement. If the person is moving just a little bit, you're not going to really feel it. Jumping on it, it's going to vibrate that side, but it's not going to bounce the other person. So that's good on this one. Anyway, if you're looking for a medium firm mattress that's pretty comfortable, made in the US, good company, it's been around for a while, Bedstory mattress is a great one to go with.